What's up guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can download free stock images online and use it in your YouTube video or any project you have. Every image on this website will be free. Name of the website is unsplash.com. So it's a website which provides free stock images. You can see there are so many images that you can download for free. If you want wallpapers, if you want images of nature, plants, you will get all of it. So let us search moon images. So there you can get images of every, you can get any image on this. If you want an image of moon, you can get an image of moon. And how to download it is simple. Just click on the photo you want to download and just hit download, and it automatically will download your photo. You just have to click open, and there you have a beautiful image. You can use these images in your project work. If you are making a design or a poster, you can use these images there, and it is absolutely for free. I have used these images for practicing in Photoshop. I'm started learning Photoshop, so I need some images, so I grab these images directly from unsplash.com. So hope this video was helpful, and hit the like button, share, subscribe, and I'll make another video. Okay, bye.